Hello children, today we are going to do Flamingo chapter 1 of class 12, the last lesson. Here we are only going to see the important questions. If you feel this video was useful to you, please subscribe to my channel because I'll be giving you more and more important questions according to the latest syllabus of CBSE. In this video, we are going to see the 1-mark questions and answers which can come in objective or as MCQs in the exam paper, and a few of the 5-mark long questions with answers in points so that you can learn the points and remember them and you can form your own explanation. I'm also going to give the full explanation to you. The 2 markers we will be doing in the next video. And this is all in accordance to the new format of the paper that is set by the CBSE this year. The 5 marker will also include the 2020 examination question. The 1 mark questions. Always you should learn the name of the lesson or the chapter and the author. So name of the lesson, the last lesson. Author, Alphonse Daudet. Please pay attention to the spelling. Why was Franz in dread that day as he ran to school? In dread means he was very scared. M. Hamel, his teacher, had asked the students to learn participles and Franz did not know the first word about them. That is why he was very scared as he was going to school. 4. What did Watcher tell Franz as he ran to school? You remember he was just running to school. He didn't have the time to wait anywhere. And near the bulletin board, Watcher screamed something at him. That is the answer. So as Franz was running to reach the school on time, Watcher, standing at the bulletin board, told Franz that there was no need to run and he would reach school in plenty of time. 5. How did M. Hamel behave differently as Franz entered late to class that day? M. Hamel did not scold Franz as he usually did, but he told Franz kindly to get inside and they were starting without him. They were starting the lessons without him. 6. What was the thunderclap felt by Franz? Or what was the shocking news given by M. Hamel? Answer. M. Hamel said that the students of Alsace would be studying their last French lesson that day, as Germany had taken over Alsace and Lorraine and German would be taught from the next day. 7. How did Franz feel on hearing this? We want to know his reactions, first reactions. Franz was shocked because he thought he knew nothing of French. He also felt sorry for not learning the language. 8. Why were the lessons so easy to learn on that day? M. Hamel had not taught with so much devotion before and the students had never paid so much attention. Hence, that day the lessons were very easy to understand. When the teacher also teaches with full concentration and the student also listens properly, then the lessons become very easy to learn and understand. Some more 1-mark questions. 9. For how many years had M. Hamel been there? M. Hamel had lived and taught there for 40 years. 10. Will they make them sing in German, even the pigeons? Why did Franz think that way? This is a very important RTC. This shows the intense frustration and helplessness felt by Franz on being forced to learn German instead of French. So they just could not do anything. They were under the control of Germany and they were not able to do what they wanted. Question number 11. What had M. Hamel finally written on the board? M. Hamel had written, Vive la France, which means long live France. 12. What was the order from Berlin? The order from Berlin directed schools in the districts of Alsace and Lorraine to teach German instead of French from that day. 13. Why were the elders sitting on the last benches? The elders were present in class to show respect to the teacher M. Hamel, who had been teaching French there for 40 years. Now we move on to the long questions and answers, that is the 5-marker questions. 1. Our native language is part of our culture and we are proud of it. How does the presence of village elders and M. Hamel's last lesson show their love for French? Now, here you will only talk about how the village elders behave to show their love and how M. Hamel behaved to show his love. There are points and I'm going to elaborate that also. Our native language is of great importance to us because that is our identity. It holds us in place. The elders had never bothered to learn the language well, but on the last day, they wanted to show their respect to their teacher M. Hamel. They wanted to honor him for 40 years of service. And that is why they were sitting on the last benches on that day. M. Hamel was dressed in his best clothes as a mark of respect for the last lesson. He also instilled, that means he made the students realize a feeling of patriotism in his students. He praised the French language. He did all this so that his students will start loving French. That day he taught the students with great focus and attention. That is what M. Hamel did to show his love for French. Question number 2. This had come in the 2020 exam paper. The last lesson clearly shows that adults play a role in motivating young learners. Cite examples from the lesson to prove your point. Answer. Again, I'm giving you points to learn and I'm explaining it. M. Hamel as a teacher played a very important role in motivating his students and invoking feelings of patriotism in them. Invoking means making them feel, that is invoking. He was a man devoted to French, and to show his love, he wore his best clothes. He taught the students as much French as he could. Whatever he wanted to teach everything to them because that was the last class. He influenced his students by telling them that French is the clearest and the most logical language. French was the most beautiful language according to the teacher. The students were made to realize that they should guard their native language, and this holds the key to liberate them from slavery. If the people are enslaved, then the native language helps them to attain liberty. He gave them copies with France Alsace written on them. He wanted to show that Alsace is always a part of France. He also wrote Vive la France on the board to instill in his students that Alsace always belongs to France and they will always be French people. This is how he clearly motivated the young learners and the older ones who had come to his class on that day. 3. How did M. Hamel invoke feelings of patriotism among the students and villagers? A. He gave importance to the day by wearing his best of clothes. He spoke highly of the French language. He said the French language was the most beautiful language. It was the clearest and the most logical language. And everybody in Alsace should guard French language. He told them that language is the key to the prison and it will bind enslaved people and free them. It will bring unity among the people who speak that language and it will liberate them from slavery. He made little copies for the students in which he wrote France Alsace, France Alsace. He taught French with great devotion and hence the students could understand it very well. Finally, he wrote on the board Vive la France to tell the children that always they are French people and always France will be living with dignity. Thus, he invoked feelings of patriotism among the students and the teachers. Thank you, students, for watching this. And we will be continuing the other 2 marker questions and many other questions which are very important and are likely to come in the exam in the next video.